This is a 2-minute how-to. The differences between StopCopy and FileSure for auditing. Both FileSure and StopCopy audit file access and operations, but they do it in two different ways. FileSure operates as part of the Windows kernel sitting underneath Windows and above the file system, so it picks up individual file operations. StopCopy, on the other hand, is running as part of the Windows shell. So if you do something within the Windows shell, it's going to get reported by StopCopy and FileSure. However, if you do something by a program other than the Windows shell, FileSure is going to pick it up, but StopCopy will not. But on the other side of the coin, StopCopy reports operations at a high level, and FileSure reports them as a low level. The easiest way to probably demonstrate is to actually copy a file. I've created a rule called Watch XLS Files in FileSure, and that means that we're going to watch Excel files. So we're just going to copy this Excel file to the pen drive that I have here. And it just did it because it's fast. And we see here that we actually did copy the file to the G drive. Nice high level, copy this file to that. And here's who did it. If we come over to FileSure, where's FileSure? Here it is. We'll see that Gene Allen at this time did a read and then on this file, which is the one we started with, and we did a write to that file. That is pretty much the major difference. You notice this doesn't say copy. It says read and then write. This says copy. The other side of the coin is if somebody was savvy enough, if your users are savvy, they'll actually be able to go to a command prompt. Like, say, for instance, we want to copy an XLS file to the G drive here. Since we are not, this is a command prompt, not the Windows shell, StopCopy is not going to pick it up. And it was copied. And you can see that StopCopy did not pick it up. However, if you come over to FileSure, you'll see that it did. That's the major differences between the two. StopCopy sits below the file system, but it doesn't understand individual operations. It says reads and writes, not copies. StopCopy, on the other hand, reports copies, but they have to operate within the shell, which is probably what 90% of the people do. That's it.